What is going on, YouTube? And welcome back to the ClearCryptos educational channel. My name is T. Haas from the Crypto Shop. And of course, I got my man Jay Seals with me. What's going on, brother?
What's good, everybody?
Listen, guys, today was an incredible day, a bunch of news. And then later in the day, it got even better. First of all, shout out to the Shiba Army community. If you're watching this and you hold SHIB, Bone, Leash, or anything in the ecosystem, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. Today, we definitely got to talk about some of the important news that was dropped from the from the Satoshi or the official Shiba Inu account. We're gonna go through that news. I'm gonna go through the charts. You guys drop the comments and the likes. We'll keep it going. Jay, what you got, brother?
All right. So earlier today, about 5 hours ago, we got some big news, guys. Attention, Sheeb Army. We're thrilled to announce that Shibarium public beta will be launching this week. Make sure you're following our official socials over the next few days as we reveal all the details on how to access the beta website. Hail, Sheeb, Shibarium, beta. Oh my God, guys, it's coming out. And Bone, it decided to go ahead and act a god dang fool, man. And I was about to get into it, but man, Shibarium has been just something just dangled over us for a while now. The question has always been, is it done? Is it ready? When's it coming out? What's it going to look like? Just so much excitement and anticipation. And man, the first sneak peek public beta is coming out so soon, but we got to break down the price action because as you know, Hobbs and I, we love the charts. We love breaking it down. And man, Bone did something special today. So Hobbs, man, show us what Bone did.
Look, when we're talking about the chart on Bone and Shib, it's just a matter of time, right? They're all simmering, waiting on that big piece of action, that huge catalyst. Now, the beta, in my opinion, is not the catalyst. It's the buy the rumor, sell the news event of the year, in my opinion. The charts have been waiting. They got the rumor. They are gonna get the news soon, and then I expect a nice healthy pullback. The price action has been absolutely incredible. This thing ran from $1.38. It literally had been selling off all day long. We had been watching it while we were trading during the day, and we were keeping an eye on Bone because Justin's looking for $1, right? Well, the news came out at about 4:15 p.m. As you can see down here. 4:15 p.m. came out. Basically, as soon as that news came out, within 9 minutes, this chart got 14 million in volume pumped into it. 24 million over like a 15 or 20-minute period. That just shows you how powerful Bone, and look, the ecosystem just started to wake up. Bone started to run. If I was to pull up the Leash chart, you can see Leash started to run. SHIB started to run. Hell, Ethereum started to run because people were probably buying more ETH so they could jump into this particular run. Bitcoin started to run. The ecosystem of Shiba Inu is powerful enough to fuel an entire bull run by itself. I just only hope that we stop getting these betas, we stop getting these wait and sees, and we just release what actually needs to be here so this ecosystem can just start running. However, I understand if they delay it because this market is probably primed for a little bit of a fall. And at that point, that's when I think they'll release Shibarium. So those are my thoughts on the charts, Jay.
Yeah, I think it's interesting timing that they decided to drop this now of all times, especially on a day when the market was so bearish. And we've got some more bearish times ahead of us. But, they got to keep the community engaged. They got to keep dropping little nuggets, little hints. I mean, this isn't little at all. This is huge. However, just remember, it is still the beta, right? It's not the full-blown thing. So to take away from all this, you see how this thing flew off of a beta announcement. Just imagine what's going to happen when the full release announcement happens. That is going to be a sight to see. But until then, I will remain patient, and I will not be buying at the top. However, this run was impressive. I will say the chart is in a bull flag pattern at the moment as we speak. So anything could happen. This thing could continue its push up, especially with the fact that any day now, Shibarium public beta is going to be out, right? And people are going to see what, Shibarium actually looks like. So, we'll have to see. We'll have to see what happens. But I mean, if you're bullish on Sheeb, if you're bullish on the Shiba ecosystem, and Bone is the gas, this thing's gonna fly. I truly believe that.
In my opinion, it just makes sense. So you guys let us know what you think in the comments down below. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Come back over to the Clear Cryptos channel. Check out myself and Jay Seals and all of the other content creators. That being said, my name is T Hobbs. That man down there is Jay Seals, and we'll catch you guys on the next one, man. Peace.